How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this interesting power bank from YUMGOOD. As you can see, this is the packaging. They sent this power bank for review. They don't pay me to make today's video. And that being said, let me show you this interesting power bank. This is a 5000 milliamp power bank, so you'll get usual paperwork, you'll get the power bank inside, but then you say, okay, where is the cable? Now, this is what I thought as well. I thought that they didn't include the cable, but actually the cable is stored here, which is pretty cool. It's a lanyard with a cable. This is very smart way to keep the cable with you. So this way you don't lose the cable, and it's a lanyard as well. I thought this is a pretty cool idea. And this is the power bank. This is the YUMGOOD 5000 milliamp hour, 15 and 20 watt delivery speeds. I'm gonna talk about the speeds in a second. Also, they got another version which is 10,000 milliamp hour. Price £17 for 5,000 milliamp hour and £19 for 10,000 milliamp hour. Pretty cool price, I think, for this power bank, but it's very small, looks like a SSD drive, and it's very thin as well. Let me demonstrate, guys. This is very thin and it's very lightweight. This is a Type-C, as you can see, port, and it's exactly the same as the Type-C, which this is insane. In order to use this power bank, obviously you need to have iPhone or Android phone with the case, with the MagSafe, which is pretty cool. So Google just released Pixel 10, I believe, with MagSafe Android version. This is pretty cool. And now you can use any case, or like I mentioned, any Android or any Apple device. So just slap this bad boy behind, and as you can see, and now we're charging. And the magnets are very secure and very strong as well. So that way you charge with 15 watt. 15 watt, I think, is pretty decent in 2025. But if you want to charge with a little bit more fast speeds, use the cable which is included in the box. So if we use the cable, guys, and if we use the cable and now plug this to the Pixel 7, now we charge with 20 watts. So if you want 20 watt charging speeds, use the cable. If the cable, it's not a problem for you, 15 watt I think is pretty decent anyway, use the MagSafe. So pretty decent battery. I definitely recommend this battery because it's very small, it's very nice, and it's very compact as well. So yeah, I'm good. Thank you for sending this product for a review. If you have any questions, guys, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next, guys. In the next video, I mean.